Hi, my name is Daphne.
My name is Carolina.
My name is Teresa.
My name is Linda.
Hi, my name is Debbie.
My name is Lisa.
I'm Samantha.
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Leanne.
My name is Mary Darcy.
And I'm from Upland, California.
I'm from San Francisco.
I live in Florida.
I live in Colorado.
I'm from Los Angeles, California.
And I invest in real estate because I love real estate and because I'd like to quit my job someday.
I'm invested in real estate to create generational wealth for my family.
I invest in real estate because of my children. My 5 children are my wife.
I invest in real estate because I want to be able to do whatever I want with my time.
I invest in real estate for my family, for more time, freedom, and the other great people I meet.
I invest in real estate because I believe in financial freedom as well as time freedom.
I'm looking to invest in real estate to have a gift to pass on to my children in the future and to teach them a little bit more about investing.
I'm investing in real estate so that I can be home with my children.
I invest in real estate because it allows me to build a legacy for my family.
I invest in real estate for complete financial freedom.